Welcome back. We're in the financial literacy series and we've been looking at where money hides. Today we're looking at where money hides part 3. Money hides in products and services. 50% to 90% of the money that you've spent this year has gone to products and services. These are products that you need for the day-to-day running of your life, and you've paid for them. And you keep paying for them, you keep paying for the services. If you get sick today, you have no choice but to pay for your medical bills. That is a service being provided to you. So money hides in products and services. For you to maximize the money or to mine the money hidden in goods and services, you have to discover the kind of products that you can create. And I'm going to talk about that in the next point. Look for a product that you can make. Look for an idea. Look for a service you can render that could attract money to you. And then you discover that the flow of money will begin to move towards your direction. The next point, money hides in ideas. Ideas, they say, rules the world. Products and services are basically documented and acted up ideas. These are ideas that have come to certain people and they've documented it and they've taken steps and acted on those ideas to make them a reality, and then it's cumulated to become a product or a service to mankind. Smart work today is more powerful than muscle work. There are people that say I'm hardworking and the only hard work they can do is just transferring heavy files, transferring heavy items to make money. That is muscle work. But smart work is about discovering ideas, maximizing the ideas, researching on the ideas, documenting it, and taking actions to make those ideas work. That is smart work. The richest people on the planet today are people that have sat down to think sufficiently and create ideas that will change their world, and they've documented it, researched on it, and acted upon it, and that has brought them more wealth. That is why smart thinking, smart workers are now going to become richer and better than the muscle workers. Finally, in this episode and series, money hides in work. A lot of people are scared of working. Work does not kill. Work only makes you better. If you don't work, then you can't eat. Work is where money hides. You can find money in your work. This is not a work like a struggle. A lot of people struggle because they go to work from Monday to Friday. The only time they get happy is on Friday when they won't be going to work or when the work ends for the week. And then they are happy that they will have enough time for themselves. If you do things according to your passion and your purpose, it becomes easy for you. The greatest men today, the richest men today, the billionaires and the millionaires of our time are people that work around the clock. Even when they're on plane traveling, even when they're on the aircraft traveling, they are working. They don't get tired of working. They keep working because money hides in your work. The question is, are you working today? If you're not working today, how do you expect to attract money in your direction? Increase your work time. Begin to work and make sure your work is productive. There are different kinds of work. There are people that work foolishly, and there are others that work productively. Having a target and meeting that target. Going to the office and sitting down is not work. But having a target of what you intend to achieve in the day and doing them, completing your task, is work. Work now, and money shall flow in your direction. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, please click on the subscription box below, subscribe to this channel, and then click on the notification bell so that whenever we post a new video, you will be notified and you will continue to learn and improve yourself. You have a gift, and we're willing to help you nurture your gift and train you to become a better person in your world at large. If you have any question, please post a comment below, and if this video, you learned something from this video, also post a comment telling us how this video has helped your life, and then do well to share this video.